guys want to talk about Bitcoin or something? Just kind of chill out. Talk about crypto. Oh, sorry. What's that? Oh, sorry about that. Say hello. Oh, are my new peppers. Okay. Bitcoin is being very interesting. We got a lot to cover. Let's talk about current price action. What is literally going on? So number one, big sweaty downtrend after Wyckoff distribution. Number two, consolidation. If all you saw, if you went into a coma and then you woke up at the end of this consolidation range, and if you were very neutral, level-headed, and unbiased, your default response will be to say, oh, well, number one, this had a failed breakout. Number two, this had a rising wedge built into it that is now broken down. Number three, the trend leading into consolidation was down, was substantially down. Therefore, one would conclude that the most likely future target is down. Okay, this is not to say that there's not going to be like crazy whatever kind of BS Darth Maul wicks before it actually happens, but just from a high level view, bird's eye view, what a unbiased party who understands TA, who knows what they're looking at, that is the conclusion they would reach. Okay. So this is not to say that like we can't rally, it's not going to happen, it's impossible, whatever, but it is saying that it's unlikely. Bringing it forward, what this is telling you is that you need to be very cautious. So just like some people in chat are asking like, okay, so what coin should I buy? You should buy no coins. You should buy nothing right now. Absolutely nothing. And if anybody is unbiased, if they are neutral and they're not lying to you or trying to hype you up for no reason, then that's what they're going to tell you. Okay, that is the reality. You should not be looking to enter any positions right now until this consolidation is proven to be a bust to the downside, until we are proven that we're not going down. Like say we start trending back up, we're breaking some higher level moving averages, say a 4-hour, a daily, whatever. I can't stress this enough. If Bitcoin goes down, the analogy I like to use is Bitcoin is the water and all the alts are the boats on the ocean. If Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Now, within that vacuum, there are going to be some coins when Elon Musk tweets that are going to have big sweaty runs and then eventually pull back, whatever. I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying in general, in very, very general, just bird's eye view, kind of across the board, what is likely to happen. If Bitcoin drops, all altcoins will drop as well. That is just the reality. So why not short right now? You can if you want to. I have a personal trade strategy that I do not short. So I will move into cash, which is a way of like shorting kind of, because I'm banking on it being worth more in the future, right? So I'm saying I can buy more in the future with my cash. But that, you know, I entered cash back in here and watching since then. And now I'm looking for a reason to go back long. I'm looking for this kind of breakout, big breakout, retest, continuation, but that didn't happen, right? We came back in. So we're getting more bearish signals than we are bullish. And that's just the reality of it. You gotta beware. The other thing I want to point out is we have objectively, see how I'm using this bottom trend line to capture a lot of the price action, as much price action as I can, right? All these wicks, all this little interaction, all this stuff has resulted in this support line. Okay, and what's important to understand is that this support line has broken. And yes, the bulls keep trying to re-enter this consolidation range from below, but they have not done it. So even right now with this big explosive up move, they have not gotten back in clearly. It hasn't happened yet. Maybe it will. I'm not saying it can't turn bullish, but right now price action is not bullish. Whenever you see a failed breakout, which follows with a breakout to the other side, a breakdown, then more times than not, this is going to be the true direction of the market. So this is almost like the market telling you, look, viewer, market participant, we tried to break out, but there was not enough momentum and therefore it failed. So if it can't go up, it's got to go somewhere, right? This is consolidation. It's got to go up or down. So if it tried up and it was a no-go, that only leaves one other option. That's the idea. That's from a very high level view. Whenever you look at this kind of stuff, that's what you need to understand. There's always the chance that this turns into something more. Say it somehow morphs into an actual trade range. Boom, it explodes up and then back down. And then we're able to kind of view it more as a trade range, like a with horizontals rather than this consolidation. That would change what we would think about everything. It would objectively change our view of all this. So if it can overcome and then spend some time sideways, hey, maybe this is the accumulation we're looking for, right? Maybe this is the whales re-entering. But if all we get is this very neutral, unbiased consolidation triangle, then like 80% of the time, price action will follow the trend that led into that, which was this. Okay? So unfortunately, what we'd be looking at is a trend continuation. And then, like I was saying on lower time frames, we're getting lots of signals telling us that, yeah, that's probably what's going on. Glad to be back, guys. I'm trying to catch you up, and then we'll go into more. Any questions? I'm just some jackass. I am a nobody. Just doing my best.